Now, now I see the daily bias is still bullish. I just want to let you guys know my thought process about this. Um, so I could go back and reflect and maybe do something better so this mistake doesn't happen again. Let me show you guys visual of what happened. I had an entry here, and my stop loss was tight at the end of the value gap. I was looking at this, and then price was around here. I didn't expect this new hourly candle to just rip through, but then there was a chance of because I had the volume thing. I will look into volume profiling too, but I wasn't too keen on it. I wasn't too strong about the volume. I didn't think it could do that, right? But in this market, you gotta know that 60% of the time, gold is gonna fuck you up the ass and go down, right? So I got stopped out here, and then after I got stopped out, it was heavy pushing down with a lot of uh, volume, and I had that stop loss really tight, and I aimed for down here. Let me see this on 5 minute, like this. Okay, I took an entry directly after it inversed this, and it was gonna go down lower as just seeing the volatility as a new hourly candle, and it went down to here. That's when I got up because I do not want to make a very big day, um, very big day, as I would not pass that count. I would not meet the consecutive rule, consistency rule. My advice is don't don't be so quick with things, and this is to my future self too. Because me, I tend to rush things. Don't be so quick to rush things. Learn the market, lose in the market, allow yourself to grow, be over time, enjoy the losing and learn from it. And after losing many times, many times straight, like many men, I've realized that. And now I'm just trying to journal my trades, trying to look back. I'm going to rewatch these videos, and let me tell you the trades I took today. I woken up, it's 11, that'll be 11:30 now. I woke up at 10. I went, brushed my teeth, took a shower, and then I looked at NQ, right? I tried to do a little bottom tick, right? It didn't go in my favor, but I had a tight stop loss, a loss of $90. I was okay. I took a step back and I looked at the markets. I'm thinking, and then I saw that GC trade, and I took a big loss. I took a big loss for 590. If it wasn't that volatile, would have I entered for a sell to go down to that price? That I probably would have, as it disrespected the fair value gap. And my job is not to bottom tick, top tick. It's not in my rules, so I don't know. I shouldn't have took this. And so when that happened, when I disrespected it, I entered on MGC, GC, And then I got that trade down, and then I could have held it, but I had to be quick thinking. As you can see, the duration of this trade is 1 minute, and the next one 3 seconds. In a matter of 3 seconds, I'll make $430. 6 seconds, 410. What I'm saying, guys, don't gamble. Try think and always take a step back so you can take 2 steps forward. And God, Allah, whoever you believe in, will take you a step back, 1 foot back, to push you 2 steps forward. And stay humble. As I have never passed a funded account. I'm trying to keep my emotions intact. I'm trying to stay disciplined. I'm gonna go to the gym, go to work today, do what I have to do, not think about this trading so much. And when you put in so much work on the learning, when you chase the trade is just gonna run away from you. Keep yourself accountable, and don't chase it too much. Don't be obsessed. When I was blowing accounts, I was obsessed. I still have not passed a funded account. And that is totally my fault. I hold myself accountable. I'm not excited that I'm up this high. I'm not excited that I'm near passing the account. What I'm proud of myself for is keeping myself accountable. That's what it is. And I had almost blown the account on this day, on the first day of having it, as I had a funded account, and then I was over trading. The December price action was doing me. Look at this. Uh, red, 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 red. Bad trades, over trading. I don't aim for too much trades in a day. I only aim for 3, unless I'm very confident in the trade and I know where it's gonna go. Then I'll enter on MGC to maximize profits. But sometimes you don't need to do that. You need to hold yourself accountable. And when you become so obsessed with trading, you will not get to where you want to be. You have to take your L's, be obsessed, learn, be delusional, no matter what anybody tells you. And then take that step back and then jump into it. But you have to stay focused, stay disciplined. I could lose this account tomorrow, guys. But I know that's not gonna happen. Because I'm not gonna let that happen. I have a red day, I'll have a red day. I have a green day, I'll have a green day. Consistency is key. I didn't have to trade today. I didn't have to take these trades. But every day in my entry model, as I look at ICT, I see every day the recurring thing is going to happen, and every day there's opportunity. Why don't I take it now? And then over time, when I go on XFA, I will minus that. But I'm not calling myself a good trade. I'm not calling myself nothing. I'm just calling myself accountable. I'll hold myself accountable, and I will look at my losses and I will learn from it over time. I only started realizing and controlling myself, my emotions, after the last 3 funded accounts. I'm down damn near 20 funded accounts. This is my 19th. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to show you guys my thought process and want to just share how I feel and my journey. Thank you guys.
If you say so. Me and bro, we like Goku and Vegeta. American bodies here,